Hello everyone. In today's recipe, I will be showing you how to make spicy plantains puff puff. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. For the ingredients, I have 2 ripe plantains and you can also use overripe plantains as well. Honey, you can use sugar, instant yeast, and this does not need to be activated before using, and you can also use active dry yeast as well. Fresh cayenne pepper, fresh ginger. Measure in 5 cups of all-purpose flour into a large bowl. Tablespoon of yeast, teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt to your taste and mix all the dry ingredients till everything is well incorporated. Once that is done, I will put that aside. I will add a tablespoon of salt inside cold water and then mix it very well for the salt to be dissolved. And I will be washing the plantains. You need to wash your plantains before peeling your plantains. And I will use another water without salt to rinse them. And that is done. Peel the plantains, and peeling the plantain is very easy. Just put a line on it and follow the natural peel of the plantains to take out the peels. Cut the plantains into cubes so it will be easy for the blender to work. And I want to say a big thank you to my old and my new subscribers. Thank you all so much. I truly do appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and also put on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload video. Peel the ginger. Cut the ginger so it will be easy for the blender to work as well. Add the pepper and the ginger to the plantains and blend. I'm using a hand blender. You can use any blender or food processor of your choice. If you're using a blender, just add in a very little water so you can blend it well. And that is done. Add the blended plantains to the dry ingredients. Add tablespoon of honey. If you like it very sweet, you can use more. Add a little bit of warm water at a time and then mix it till you get the right consistency. So puff puff batter is not too thick and is not too light. Just add the water gradually till you achieve the right consistency. And for these 5 cups of flour and the plantains, I use 1.5 cup of water because the plantain itself is wet. Once that is done, take out the spatula. Cover and leave it to rise for about 45 minutes to an hour depending on the temperature of your house. For mine, I usually leave mine for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. It will be ready. So this is 45 minutes later. I will check if the batter has risen. At this time it has risen, and use a spatula to turn it to take out the bubbles. At this point you want to make sure the oil for deep frying is already preheating. I will add just a little bit inside the oil to test if the oil is hot already, and once the oil is hot, scoop in the batter. I'm using ice cream scoop. Feel free to use your hands as well. And I am frying on medium to high heat. For example, the highest of my stove is 10. I am frying on 8. For puff puff, if you fry it too low, your puff puff is going to absorb all the oil and you will not like the end result. And if it's too high, it's going to get burnt before it gets ready. So I usually fry mine on medium to high heat. And you can use a skewer to flip them. And you want to fry them until they are golden brown. Once they are golden brown, take them out of the oil, and I'm transferring them into a strainer that is lining with a paper towel. And I will repeat the process with the rest of the puff puff batter. Once they are golden brown, take them out of the oil and turn off the stove, and the puff puffs are ready. And these plantain puff puff were very, very delicious and spicy. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.